Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus and Mathematics Learning. In the previous video, we started with exercise number 5.5 related with chapter number 5 sets and function related with the topic function. In exercise number 5.5, we already done with the first two questions. Today we are going to start question number 3 related with the same exercise number 5.5. It tells that if set A is 0, 1, 2, 3 and set B is x, y, z, p, then state whether the following relations show that there exists one-to-one correspondence between elements of set A and B. If not, give reason. In this question, we have given a two relation. First, x0, x2z, 3y, and 1p, and the second is 0x, 1z, 2y, 3z, and they tells in the question that either these two relations show one-to-one correspondence or not. If they do not show the correspondence, one-to-one correspondence, then give the reason. So, one-to-one correspondence function, these are those functions in which the each and every element of domain will map with each and every element of the range. So, taking the given question, part 1, solution. Here the domain is 0, 2, 3 and 1. So draw a shape just like this. This is, let's suppose, x values, which is a set. So 0, 2 and 3 and 1. It is mapped with, let's suppose this is a function. It is mapped with x, z, y and p. X, y, z and p. So 0 is mapped with x, 2 is mapped with z, and 3 is mapped with y, and 1 is mapped with p. So here each and every element of the domain, this is domain, so each and every element of this domain is mapped with each and every unique element of the range. So it means that this relation show one-one correspondence. So it show one-one correspondence according to its definition of one-to-one correspondence. Now taking this part of, draw a shape just like this. Let's suppose 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is our domain. 0, 1, 2 and 3. And here our range is x, z, y and z. Here z is repeated twice. So we will take just a single z because there is no repetition in z. So let's suppose this is x value. This is a function with y. And here we have x and z and y. Z, y. Here is 2z. We will take just a single z and y. Now here is 0 is mapped with x, and here 1 is mapped with z, and here 2 is mapped with y, and here 3 is mapped with z. Here z is mapped with 1 and 3. So not each and every element here mapped with the unique element of the y. So it means that this part do not show one-to-one correspondence. The reason is that there is no mapping of the domain with the unique element of y, because here 1 and 3 is mapped with z, because one-to-one correspondence tells that a unique element will map with a unique element of y. So it means that this does not show one-to-one correspondence. Now move to question number 4. It tells that if set A is ABC and set B is 2, 3, 4, 5, then state whether the following relations show that there exists one-to-one correspondence between elements of set A and B. If not, what kind of relations they are? So, solution. Draw x and y over here. This is x, this is y. Let's suppose this is function. Our x value are a, b and c. A, b and c. And our range value are 2, 3 and 4. 2, 3 and 4. Here A is mapped with 2 and B is mapped with 3 and here C is mapped with 4. So if we look here, each and every element of the domain X is mapped with the unique each and every element of a set Y. Of a set B means a range. So it means that it shows one-to-one correspondence. One-one correspondence. Now move to the second part. Let's suppose this is x, this is y, this is a function. Our domain are a, b and c. A, B and C, and our range are 3, 3 4 3. So here 3 is repeated twice, so we will take just a single 3 because there is no repetition inside. So just a single 3 from here, and we are left with 4. So here A is mapped with 3, B is mapped with 4, and C is mapped with 3. So if we look over here, 3 is mapped with C and A. So it means that not each and every element of the domain is mapped with the unique each and every element of set Y. It means that part second doesn't show one-to-ones corresponding. Doesn't show one-to-one correspondence. Here this function is an into function because here the range we have less one element over here for the unique mapping. So with this question I finish my lecture. Inshallah in the next video I will solve the remaining 2 questions of this exercise with which the chapter number 5 will be completed. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon to receive the upcoming notification of mathematics. Thank you.